welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. CM orders scrapping of 320 posts of Health Department, cancels appointment of 29 RTO inspectors. Inquiry proves that rules were indeed flouted. MGP and GVP along with BJP support NDA candidate PA Sangama for presidential election. Sangama campaigns in states seek support of independent MLAs. Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar to submit 111 pages draft Goa Vision Document 2035 to the government. Document may be placed for public discussion. Natasha Palya breaks into top 10 Indian women's tennis ranking. Goan ace aims at toppling Sania Mirza from top spot in 3 years. Palya gets WTA rank. And Goa Football Association 2012-13 season will roll from 15th August with Duler ground not ready. Raya to host GFA's charity match. And now the news in detail. Goa government has decided to scrap 320 posts in Health Department. On the other side, there are chances that appointment of 29 RTO inspectors may get cancelled. Vigilance Department's report states that most of the candidates secured the motor vehicle inspector's job with bogus document, whereas maximum rules were flouted while processing the Health Department jobs. Here are some of the important decisions by the CM. Order scrapping of 320 posts of Health Department. Vigilance report indicates violation in recruitment process. Post of Health Department a huge scam, says CM. 29 posts of motor vehicle inspectors scrapped. Full procedure of recruitment scrapped. Show cause notices to the officers. Fake age mention on application. An inquiry on rush recruitment during election 2012. When questioned CM over the involvement of any ministers, CM said, Vigilance Department was asked to investigate into the government jobs recruitment. They were not asked to point fingers at any particular individual. Now after this report, main culprit will be traced. Our reporter from Panji Pratik Parab with video journalist Tulsidas Chari. Goa BJP unit, MGP and GVP MLAs will support PA Sangama for the presidential election. This was declared by the national spokesperson of BJP, Prakash Zavadekar. PA Sangama along with Prakash Zavadekar is in the state for Sangama's campaign for presidential election scheduled on 19 July. Sangama is trying to garner support of independent MLAs in Goa.
There are 13 or 14 parties which have supported the candidature of Mr. P.A. Sangma in this presidential election. In Goa, it is Maharashtra Gomantik also, Independence also, Goa Vikas Party. Then there is Uttarakhand Kranti Dal, and there are many other parties who have given support, and with that support, Sangmaji is touring the country. That if you find Pranab Mukherjee as an unfit finance minister, how an unfit finance minister can be a fit president of the country?
If the Goan Christians have accepted BJP and elected so many MLAs on BJP ticket, who is there to give us lectures on secularism? We don't take lectures on secularism. I have come here to also thank the BJP party, all the MLAs who are supporting my candidature. and also to appeal to those who have not been able to make up their minds so far. Presidential election is held above party lines. That is the reason why Pranab Mukherjee had to resign from Congress party, and I had resigned from NCP party. There is no symbol in this election in the ballot paper, and there is no whip. As far as Goa is concerned, except for perhaps one independent and 9 Congress MLAs, everybody had assured us.
Our reporter from Panji Pratik Parab with video journalist Tulsidas Chari. Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar would submit 111 pages draft Goa Vision Document 2035 to the government on Wednesday. The vision document would be placed before the people for next 2 months for discussions, debate and suggestions and objection. Goa Golden Jubilee Development Council had earlier placed 7-point agenda that received a good response from all quarters. Goa Golden Jubilee Development Council headed by Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar would submit 111 pages draft Goa Vision Document 2035 to Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar on Wednesday. The 17-member council included visionaries and experts like Dr. Anil Kakodkar, Dr. Vijay Badkar, Ashank Desai, Dr. Vijay Kelkar, Professor Madhav Gadgil and architect Charles Correa.
This will be formally submitted to the Chief Minister, and the idea is that it will be open to the public for next 2 months for discussion, debate, suggestion, etc. So that we can take their input and based on that submit the final report.
Goa Golden Jubilee Development Council had earlier placed 7-point abridged report before the people that received good response. The 7 points in the abridged report are serene and beautiful Goa, cultured Goa, balanced Goa, knowledge-centric and enlightened Goa, affluent Goa, well-governed Goa and happy Goa. Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar says that draft document includes what we need to do and how we need to do. Reporter Navdeep Aguirre for Prudent Media. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.